Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. This is an update video, guys. The channel is going well. I'm working hard, guys. I'm basically creating a lot of stuff outside the camera. I'm already preparing a lot of new content for this summer. I'm preparing a great season for the next fall. In this moment, I'm totally busy. I'm collaborating with some sponsorship. This allows the channel to have supplies, materials, and also a little bit of money that is actually not bad. We are speaking about very few money, but everything helps. You can help the channel also becoming one of my Patreon supporters. If you become a patron now, you can have instant access to a lot, tons of content, guys, already on Patreon. The fantasy modeling course is live right now, guys. We already have 4 episodes online. This is something that takes a lot of time because when you prepare videos for tutorials and stuff like that, they are very quick because you just build stuff, you do the cut, do the editing, and then the video is ready. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes video. In that way, it's very easy to put together. But when you are speaking about 1 hour content non-stop, guys, actually it takes time. It takes time. So this is the reason why I'm not proceeding very fast with new content, but we are creating them. So don't worry, the channel is more alive than ever. About the fantasy modeling course, guys, if you are one of my supporters here on YouTube or on Patreon, you will follow the course 1 by 1 episode. But at the end, you will be also able to have all the episodes in once. This will be at the end of all the course. We are just 1/3 away from the end, so you need to wait a little bit. I'm trying to test a lot of materials and boxes and stuff like that. Everything that I do in this channel is what I'm doing here in my house, in my studio. Everything is genuine, everything is legit, everything is something that I will suggest you, I will encourage you to use, to do like I do. What's next? Next on the channel, I will finish the trial. This is an amazing dungeon set that I'm making for HeroQuest, but it's also great for basically any dungeon crawler that you can play at your house. So I will finish the trial with a lot of content, and if you have noticed, I'm basically remastering now a lot of old content because I think some of those episodes are worth it, and especially with the trial I will remaster all the little furniture video tutorial. They will come on the channel right before we will finish the trial. I will also use some MDF kit from some collaboration. I will customize those kits, and they will be perfect on the battleground. So I will improve a little bit the swamp village with some content, and also I will give you some sci-fi terrain that you actually loved a lot in the last month. From the fantasy modeling course, also at the end of everything, we will have on the channel a video about the fantasy house and another video about all the dungeon set that I'm creating with you on the course. The keep, guys, is not finished. We need to complete the internal part of the keep. So we have the great saloon, the tower. We will spend also an episode, maybe 2, on finishing the inside of the keep. A monster piece, guys, that I'm planning to bring in some exposition, in some event here in Italy. Also, that will be a great journey that is going to an end. Remember that this channel survives because you are watching this video. Put a like, subscribe, and if you are very interested in all I'm doing here, please consider to support this channel on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to allow me to continue to do this video and to bring you always new content, okay? Another great way is to donate something on PayPal. PayPal also is a good way to offer me a coffee, and in this way you will also help the channel. I'm Italian, guys. I love coffee, remember that. So offer me a coffee on PayPal, and that's it. If you are available for collaboration, please contact me at my mail. And I'm open for commission. So if you want to deal with me about some piece of terrain, just let me know, okay? That being said, see you soon, and Happy crafting!